bringing suits for madam, so a lot of time she also noticed that it was in green color.
In black color, so maybe black
green and black so many times, but I like light green color. Okay, so the next is when. When means come. When did you come? When did you come? You have to say that did you not, did you. When did you come? When did you come? When did you come? Okay? When you did you come? If you will say so, it is wrong, because after helping, after WH question you have to put helping verb. After WH question you have to put helping verb. But sometimes the rule has changed. कभी कभी रूल चेंज और हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाते हैं तो गलत हो जाता है. ओके, लाइक सपोज which color do you like, so if we will say that which do you like color, so it is wrong. Which color do you like? Okay, लेकिन कहीं कहीं ऐसा होता है रूल चेंज होता है. ओके, like what's your name, what is your name, what is your name, what is your name, what your name is, it's wrong. Okay, and the second thing, whenever you will start WH question, so at the end you have to put question mark like this. See, the question mark, it's too much necessary.
Yes, sir.
Who are you? Who are you? आप कौन हो? Who are you? ये तो मैंने पहले भी लिखा है. I also wrote before this. Why? Why are you not consigning? Why are you not consigning? Consign means a lot of people, they were thinking that suppose a person, he's cross with us. So if suppose we have to go, so we will say that you will agree with me or not agree with me. Okay? What is this sentence? क्या कहा मैंने? और से सुना दोबारा से. Sometimes a lot of people, suppose they are crossed with us, so we used to say that why are you not agree with me? What's the meaning?
सर आपने कहा कि हम कुछ कहते लोगों को अगर उन्हें समझ नहीं आती तो हम कहते हैं क्यों आप.
Sometimes a lot of people, they are crossed with us, so we used to say that why you will not agree with me? You should agree with me. No. Sometimes a lot of people, they are crossed with us, but we used to say that why you will not agree with me? You should agree with me. So it is wrong sometimes. No. Sometimes a lot of people, they are crossed with us. Cross with us का मतलब होता है नाराज होना. Cross का मतलब होता है नाराज होना.
पार करना भी तो होता है सर. पार करना, क्रॉस.
पार करना भी है. You were also right that cross is also, but cross means also like this. It is also cross. And cross is also like here we are using this cross. If suppose you will be cross with me, so there will be this sign. Okay. So it is also used in metric class. Bring metric class English. Anybody metric students are there?
No sir.
Metric in metric class, if cleanliness or like this, dignity is work. Dignity is work. Kaam ki azmat. It was the chapter in your metric class. If you have read this chapter, so in that chapter there was one line that Akhtar came home and he was cross. Akhtar घर पर आया और वो cross था, वो नाराज था. If you say to me that, so I'll bring the book, I'll show you. गौरव अगर कहो मैं बुक लाऊं दिखाऊं. So cross का मतलब होता है नाराज होना. तो मैं कह रहा था कि a lot of people, if they are crossed with us, so we'll say that why you are not agree with me, You should agree with me. Agree का मतलब होता है राजी होना। वैसे आम जुबान में इसको कहते हैं एग्री। एग्री का लफ्ज गलत है, इसको पढ़ा जाता है अग्री। अग्री, you are agree with me or not? So agree, जिसको आमतौर पे गलत प्रोनाउंसिएशन की जाती है एग्री, इसको पढ़ा जाता है अग्री। अग्री का मतलब होता है मुत्तफिक होना। क्रॉस का मतलब होता है नाराज होना। तो मैंने वर्ड यूज किया कंसाइलिंग का, कंसाइल। तो अक्सर हम अपनी जब दूसरी इंग्लिश बोलते, गुलाबी इंग्लिश, तो उसमें हम कहते हैं कि आप मुझसे राजी हो जाओ। मैंने कहा कि अक्सर लोग हमसे नाराज हो जाते हैं, तो फिर हम कहते हैं कि आप नाराज हो, आप राजी हो जाओ, या आपको राजी हो जाना चाहिए। तो अग्री का वर्ड गलत होता है, तो हम बोलते हैं कंसाइल। कंसाइल का मतलब होता है राजी हो। ओके, लीव इट, आई कंसाइल हिम, कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ो उसे, मैं उसको राजी कर लूंगा। तो कंसाइल का मतलब होता है राजी करना। अग्री का मतलब होता है मुत्तफिक होना। जैसे मैंने कोई बात कही आपको, सपोज I'm gonna say to you any of the things, or you will say to me that yes sir, I'm agree with you, I'm agree with you, मैं आपसे मुत्तफिक हूँ। But if suppose you are cross with any of the person,